Continuing with our class with the use of prepositions. First of all, we are understanding that where we will use the preposition in. We are first understanding the use of in. So it is based on two different conditions: preposition of time and preposition of place. Like if we talk about time, we are talking about time. Then in what condition we will use in? And suppose if we talk about place, then in what condition we should use the preposition in? First of all, we will start with preposition of time. In. It is used with larger period of time such as month, era, century, etc. If I say in the month of June, so month we will use in. In 1997, it's year or century, so it will be in. It is also used with seasons, for example, in summer season. It is also used with parts of a day, in the morning, in evening. But keep one thing in mind that in, the preposition in, will not be used with night. Why? Because night we always say at night, not in night. So it always take at. Now preposition of place. In is used with cities, towns, states, etc. For example, I live in Maharashtra. I live in Maharashtra. Okay, the temperature is too low in Antarctica. Second, it is you also used with street, road, etc. For example, some people are standing in the street. It is also used with directions. Like Kanyakumari is in the south of India. So in terms of place, in which conditions of place, preposition of place we will use in cities, towns, states, then street, road, and then directions we will use in. And in terms of month, era, century, year, seasons, part of day, we use in. But we not use in with night or dusk. Why? Because it takes at. I will provide you with this assignment. That's all for today's class. In the next class, we will learn the next preposition.